family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of South African National Defence Force female soldiers who fell pregnant in DRC. Two female soldiers serving in the South African National Defence Force are facing disciplinary action after allegedly falling pregnant while on deployment in the DRC as part of a United Nations peacekeeping mission. The incident has sparked outrage within military ranks, as it is believed the two soldiers were engaging in personal activities while their colleagues were engaged in intense battle against the M23 rebels in northern DRC. The conflict resulted in the death of 14 South African National Defence Force members, with several other wounded in action. The two female soldiers were among the 189 South African National Defence Force members who were unexpectedly left behind in the DRC during their scheduled return to South Africa on Friday. According to the reports, the affected soldiers were left disappointed when they were informed at the last minute that their departure has been postponed until further notice. Among those stranded are 3 soldiers with serious injuries, others who are reportedly ill, and the 2 pregnant soldiers whose situation has drawn criticism from within the military. While the South African National Defence Force has remained tight-lipped regarding the situation, insiders have indicated that the 2 soldiers will face disciplinary action upon their return to South Africa. Military insider stated that they were deployed for a serious mission, not a vacation. South African National Defence Force enforces strict codes of conduct during military operations. Fraternization during deployment is typically prohibited. Allegations, if proven true, could result in punitive measures, including possible dismissal from the force. The situation has raised questions about discipline and operational readiness within South Africa's military deployment in the DRC, especially amid an escalating conflict that has already claimed South African national defense lives. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.